Okay, there is our new vented gas tankless hot water heater. We have to put the intake and the exhaust vent tubes out through the side of the house, come into the top of it, and this is the gas. The original gas went from this elbow right here straight down into the side of the tank water heater. So we sealed everything off, brand new pipe, everything's all plumbed in. This is the remote magnet just stuck to the front of it to adjust the temperature. And you got your hot and cold water. We need to get some more of this insulation stuff to cover up the hot pipe. But it works really good. And we don't have to worry about the gas running all day when nobody's in the house. Propane, keeping a big tank of water hot all the time. You just turn on the hot faucet and boom, it turns on and instant hot water. And the rate of flow is just like the tank. There's no reduction in flow. It doesn't takes maybe 30 seconds longer for the hot water to get upstairs, but not on the first floor, just the second floor, because it's with the tank hot water heater. It kept a big tank full of water hot all the time, and the hot water would radiate up the pipe some. But this is, I mean, it's literally almost as fast, maybe 30 seconds. That's it, and there it is. Works great.